Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple ways to protect your health every day. Today's topic is about one of the most important organs in your body, your liver. It works quietly, every second, every day. It filters toxins. It processes nutrients. It supports your entire system. But most people ignore it until problems begin. Have you ever felt constant fatigue, heaviness, low energy without clear reason? Your liver may be overloaded. Poor diet, processed food, sugar, stress. All of this creates pressure on your system. This is where food becomes powerful. Let's look at some natural options that support liver function. First, leafy greens. Spinach, parsley, similar plants help your body remove toxins more efficiently. They support natural cleansing. Next, garlic. Garlic contains compounds that activate liver enzymes. This helps your body process harmful substances faster. Then beetroot. Rich in antioxidants, beetroot supports blood flow. Your liver works better with proper circulation. Another powerful option, turmeric. Known for anti-inflammatory properties. It helps protect liver cells. Then lemon. Simple yet effective. Lemon supports digestion. It helps your liver start its daily function. These foods do not act instantly. They work gradually, day by day, meal by meal. Then something begins to change. Your energy improves. Your body feels lighter. Your system becomes more balanced. This is not detox trend. This is natural support. Because your liver does not need extreme solutions. It needs consistency, simple habits, clean food, regular care. Protect your liver. Protect your life. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.